ever wanted to have a craft cocktail at home, but you are absolutely horrendous at measuring and doing math when it comes to drinks? I am, and I always wish that I had a bartender with me when my wife and I wanted to enjoy some cocktails at home. Thankfully today, I have Zach. Hi, Zach.
Hey, what's going on?
All right, so today we are at Porchlight in New York City with head bartender Zach. Zach, thank you for having us here behind your bar at your humble abode. Like I said before in the intro, it's nice to be able to make a craft cocktail or just a nice drink, even if you're at home with your spouse, or maybe you're entertaining and you have some people over and you want to impress a little bit, you know what I'm saying? It's nice to know how to put together a well thought out drink. So today, Zach is gonna run us through some signature cocktails only available here at Porchlight, and he's going to show me how to do it, even though I have a 2-week certification course on bartending. Kind of a big deal. Not a big deal.
You can basically do it yourself. I'm just here to
pretty much
make sure.
I'm just gonna run you through how to make this.
Exactly. Okay. Yeah. Exactly.
All right. So what's the first drink that we're gonna make? Or
so we're gonna start with the Mother of Exiles. It's a Manhattan variation.
Mother of Exiles. Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna start with our smallest ingredient first, the Amontillado sherry.
So what kind of flavoring does this have? Is it sherry?
It's gonna have like nuttiness. Brings a lot of nuttiness to the cocktail.
All right. So what am I doing?
Take your jigger. You see the
jigger?
little line in there?
I do.
That's the 1/4 ounce.
Okay.
You're gonna do a 1/4 ounce.
No count. No 1 1,000.
No count.
One
No.
Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. So just up to the line there.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, that's not the line. Come on, run a bar.
Yeah.
You have a sink.
Exactly.
All right.
Here we go.
Up to the line. Okay.
Boom.
It's at the line. I know you can't see it because it's in a jigger, but it's there. Trust us. And into the mixer.
Right in there.
All right, so for people at home watching this, they just need something to make the drink in. Just mix it in some sort of
pint glass.
Okay.
Whatever. You didn't even make it in the glass. Next up is Amaro Meletti. Has a lot of bitter gentian notes while also being a little on the sweeter side. Okay. So you're gonna flip this over. You're gonna fill it all the way to the top.
So now we're going to the larger side of the jigger, all the way up to the top. I'm clearly good at pouring things right to the top.
Boom. Nice. So that's gonna be our sweetener.
Okay.
And then for our base spirit, we're doing a split base of Jameson and Rittenhouse.
Ooh, now why do you split it up?
Just to bring in different qualities from each spirit. If we put all Jameson in there, the Jameson would sort of slide past too easy, and you would taste the other flavors too much. Put only Rittenhouse in there, it's just gonna be rye bomb.
Wow,
so
interesting.
Balance the two, and you get a balanced cocktail.
All right, so now
this is the 1-2, so all the way to the top on that.
All the way to the top.
You can get a little more in there. A little more.
This is why you're a pro.
There it is.
Okay, now
nice and easy. Don't breathe. Boom. All right, same thing with the Rittenhouse.
Okay. Oh. I got a little fancy on that one.
You got it.
It's coming in hot.
Boom.
Okay.
All right, now grab your ice.
Grab my ice.
Grab my ice right there, or I'll grab the Glassware. And all the way.
Do you watch the movie Cocktail every night?
Every night, yeah. Leave it on when I go to sleep.
I figured.
I got the hippie shake!
I figured. Yeah. I always wanted to use these fancy spoons.
Yeah.
All right, now what's the process here? Do we twist it?
So I hold it.
Flick of the wrist?
Kind of hold it like a pen.
Oh, like a pen.
Like a pen, and then just push and pull.
Oh, push and pull.
Yeah. You let the spoon do most of the work.
Interesting. Okay.
Okay. Get a little more dilution on that. So not only
oh, is there actually like a purpose to this, or just I thought it was just to look cool and impress the people drinking?
Yeah, I mean, it take a little longer to get their drink, so they want it more.
So this dilutes with the ice.
It's diluting it, and it's also chilling it. So you're not.
I legit did not know that. I thought it was just the kind of chill. I thought it was obviously to chill it, but I did not know that it was actually supposed to dilute it a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, that way it doesn't come off as strong. A little smoother for you.
It's probably why my drink's at home. So.
Julep strainer on there.
Julep strainer.
There we go.
And
then to garnish it, we do an orange coin. expressed over the top. You get all those nice little oils.
Oh man.
Rub around.
A little spritz, if
Rub
you
around.
will.
There you are. Mother of Exiles.
Impressive.
What do you think?
That is the drink I order when I go out.
Nice. Very cool.
Wow, impressive.
My
That
favorite.
is the start of a drunken New York City night, and I absolutely love every second of it.
Hell yeah.
All right, there you go. We just walked you through 2 of the signature drinks here at Porchlight in New York City. Zach, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Appreciate the tips. Hope you at home were taking notes, because you're gonna have a good night on these 2 drinks.